Hi guys, it's me Rose here again at Shoes of Hollywood today, and I'm doing another shoe review as requested. And today I have the Flamingos 1020s. So this is a pretty exciting shoe because they're more me. Okay, and as always they come with your beautiful red box with beautiful butterflies on them. So they look gorgeous on arrival. And of course they've always got their really good protective casing and stuff. So you can see these are going to be quite pretty. Now there they are. Now these are an 8-inch heel flamingo boot, and they are leopard print, and they've got this really nice gorgeous gold glitter through the leopard print itself. So that's a really cool touch, and you'll see more of that outside when we take it for a little walk. Hopefully you can see that shine. The platform here is a nice shiny finish black, so is the heel. And of course you've got your adjustable string thing to tie it up, and you've also got the side zipper as well for that extra support. And there we go. So yeah, 8-inch heel, flamingos, perfect. As you know, it's me. Bit different for me for the leopard print, but I'm digging it. So we'll give them a go, try them on, give you a little walk around and see what you think. And as always, they do have your really good grippy bottom as well, if you like that sound, because I do. Alright, let's give them a go. Okay, dokie. Now these are more of my shoe. As everyone knows, I am a platform girl. So now I already have pre-adjusted my lacing. Save a little bit of time, but as you see, do that up to however you want to fit, and then zipper. Straight up, easy. Ready to go. It's exciting when you got that much packaging, because you know you've something good's arrived. Okay. Now we'll slide this one in. Again, I've already pre-adjusted this. So pull the tongue up there, because your tongue inside has also got that leopard print, which is quite cool. And there we go. There we go. Everyone's seen a lot of comments of people asking, oh, you know, I thought Rose is very tall until I tried some of the other shoes on, but this is my secret. Here we go. I love my 8-inches. Cool. They're quite comfortable. I love these ones. I could walk all day in these ones. So if you know you've got a big night ahead of you, you want some nice shoes, these ones are definitely the ones to go. Side view. Honestly, cannot get enough of these ones. Alright. Also with these ones, as I am a size 7 normally, I always go up one size in these kind of boots, just to give you that extra little bit of room, because they are a bit different to normal sizing, so keep that in mind as well. Alright, we're going to take these outside. Hopefully you can see a little bit of the sparkle in that gold glitter in the leopard print. And let us know what you think. Now, there's not much sun out here today as much as I wanted it to be, but yes, more in my element. Oh, as I say, I'm in my element. I just nearly went head first, but that's okay. We're all human. Still a bit warm here today. Now I know a lot of people have been saying they want to see me more in non-platform heels, but this is where I flourish. really had this kind of style. Don't mind the truck in the background. You know, I've never been the type of girl that usually would go for a leopard print style, but I think I am now, so. So it's always good to have a good live review, because I see a lot of people too that always thank me for doing these kind of reviews, because it helps them pick the right kind of shoes. So I really do appreciate that. So, yes. Alrighty, even though it's overcast here again, it's still very warm as always. It's Australia. So we'll get back in the aircon. Oh, just gorgeous. Okay. As much as I don't want to take these ones off right now, we are done. So a little bit of wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And off they come. Very easy and simple to put on and off. So there we have it, those gorgeous flamingos. What are they again? 1020s. Alrighty, there we have another shoe review done. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.